Hello there, I'm Ivan with Gtmhub. At Gtmhub, we help businesses undergoing high growth or managing significant change adopt and manage objectives and key results, or OKRs. In this video, I will show how through our data platform, we are able to automate OKR updates and provide businesses with real-time performance tracking. Gtmhub is able to connect to over 100 business systems and data stores, such as Salesforce, Jira, Oracle, or Google Analytics. Built-in SQL and R editors are then used to create business insights, metrics, and KPIs. Those insights are then visualized on insight boards, where users can attach them to objectives as live key results. Gtmhub automatically updates live key results, ensuring that progress on OKRs is always up to date. In this video, we will demonstrate 5 key concepts of Gtmhub data platform. We will start with Masterplans, which provide dozens of built-in KPIs for popular systems such as Salesforce or Jira. Next, we will demonstrate a more advanced scenario of connecting manually to data sources. We will then show how to build a custom insight using SQL. Finally, we will demonstrate how to design insight boards and link insights to OKRs as live key results. Let us start with Masterplans. We log into Gtmhub, we go to Setup, we choose Start with a preset, and here we are going to choose Jira from different applications that we have. Once we click Install, we need to provide credentials for connecting to the Jira. So this is going to be the connection name, which is anything that we want, username, password, and finally the URL of the Jira instance. Once we click Connect, Gtmhub will be connecting to Jira and start to syncing data. So if we go to Setup, we see that we have numerous insights already created for us, and we can see that the data is being synced. So in addition to the MySQL database, here we can also see different Jira insights. So when we go to Insight Boards, we can now see data on how many stories we have in progress, how many story points are done. We can filter this data by time, so we can do this week or next year, and so on. And here we can see the similar information for bugs. Now let us see how to connect to custom data sources such as databases or spreadsheets. When we log into Gtmhub and go to Setup, we will go to Data Sources and then click on the Add New Data Source button. Here we are going to choose the data source to which we want to add. And once again, we are going to give our data source connection name. In this case, it's going to be DemoDB, and then give the necessary information to establish the connection. For MySQL, Gtmhub provides a sample database where we can use the data right from within the application. And here we have all the tables. In this case, we are going to choose the employees table in MySQL database and then select the syncing schedule. So we are going to say every day. Once we create the data source, we need to create an entity or internal Gtmhub data. And this is all that we need to do in order to connect. Now that we have connected data source, let's see how to build custom insights. Gtmhub provides built-in code editors for SQL and R languages, and we can build as many insights as we want. In this case, we are going to build a very simple insight that will be showing us the number of employees in our company, and we are going to call it headcount. The insight itself is going to take data from the employees database located in the MySQL database. And we can see here in the editor that on the left side we have the view part of our insight, which is HTML. And then on the right side we write the actual algorithm, which can be either SQL or R. In this case, it is the SQL that we are using. So we take the insight, the algorithm on the right, and we make sure that the data that we are outputting from the algorithm matches the data in our view. And now we can go and test this insight here, and we see that we have 50 people working in the company. Once we have connected data sources and created insights, it's time to put them to use. This we will do with insight boards. Insight boards show us all of our insights from different data sources, and here we are going to show how to create new insight boards to adjust them to our needs. In this case, it's going to be an insight board that will show data related to product coming from Jira. So we are going to choose here different insights, such as stories in progress or average story lifetime, done story points, closed bugs, done items, and so on. Once we add those, we can then modify the insight board to look exactly the way we want it. You can notice that as we resize insights, the design of those is responsive and they change as depending on how much space we give them. Keep in mind that you can use as many insights on any insight board as well as you can have as many insight boards as you want. Once we are satisfied, we click Save and our new insight board is ready. The final piece of the puzzle is to connect the insights we have created with the live data coming from existing business systems to our OKRs. In this case, we have an objective called Improve Product Stability, and now we are going to attach metrics such as open bugs, and we are going to say that we want to reduce the number of open bugs from 46 to 20, as well as we can say that we want to reduce the number of critical bugs from 4 to 0 as part of our objective to increase the stability of product. Once we have done this, Gtmhub will be automatically updating our progress, connecting to Jira and updating the progress on these key results. We can also mix dynamic key results with static key results, so we can add a third key result here called hire more QAs, and we can say that we want to hire 7. And when we go to see our key results, we will see that we can update the hire more QAs because this is a manual key result, whereas the other two key results will be updated automatically from Jira.